church?
I don't know.
St. Lawrence Church. We're going there.
Before we go to that church and the
That one
church.
is
Okay, wait. Today we go. Before we go to church, then we go to church there,
Then-
and then after we go to ship church, now we're going to
St. Lawrence.
St. Lawrence Church.
Yes.
I am a pig. This is Daddy Pig. This is Peppa Pig. This is George Pig. House. And
My God, we are in Lubak-Lubak Road.
I am my butt is my butt is wiggling and my head is very
Mainit na dito guys ngayong araw ay. Ouch! Sobrang mainit na. Buti nga ngayong araw mainit. Ouch!
slowly. I don't know what is this driver.
Why? Why, Arlene?
Because this driver is not speaking slowly.
My God!
I don't know. Let's buy this new car. For now, right?
Yes, this is going to St. Lawrence. This is way also going to the airport.
The way airport is the left side.
No, right side.
I mean right side. The airport is right side. The church is left side.
Yes.
So remember right and left.
You will remember later.
When I will be big.
Huh?
When I will be big. Huh?
How come you will be big? Now you can see. You will remember that. Guys, this is a forest.
Yeah, the forest.
You can see the monkey over there.
The monkey is not in the forest.
Yeah,
No, monkey is in the animals.
the zoo also, there is also in the forest. Now there is no monkey
See, I told you.
because it's raining time. But you will see later.
Otherwise, this driver will hit the monkey.
What?
After when the car moves, when another car moves, it will hit the monkey.
No, they're not eating the monkey.
No, hit the monkey, not eating the monkey.
I'm not telling eating, hitting. See how the sky is beautiful, right?
The skies look like a cotton candy.
Cotton candy.
Yeah,
See how beautiful.
it just look like white cotton candy.
Guys, this is the Belmont. Yeah, Arlene. Belmont. Traffic.
Traffic red,
Red light.
green light,
Green light.
yellow light.
This is the way going to Belmont, and the right side is going to the airport, right?
Yeah.
Do you remember?
Right
Or-
side, you see right side is the
Yes,
airport.
this is going to St. Lawrence. St. Lawrence Way.
And then it's going to airport. Left? Is this left?
Yeah. The
And
other
that's
side.
right.
Yes.
So right is going to airport and left is going to Zilman.
St. Lawrence.
Lawrence Church.
Yes.
Ouch.
Dito
the church.
Ang laki.
Looks like a castle, right?
Yeah.
Look, what is that? What is that?
Rickshaw. I think we parked there. May misa ngayon guys, Friday.
But Friday we didn't been here, right?
No.
मुझे स्थितिगती परिस्थिती कशी आसा तर आमी दुबावचे न्ही सुसूचे न्ही
Puntahan natin guys yung ano, yung Miraculous Pond. Ayan. Ayan. Siguro nakita na yun na ito guys lagi. Every year pupunta kami dito. Yeah. Last namin pumunta dito last year. Kasama si Mami. Parang wishing hunt. Ayan. May mga isang laki ng isda. It's very clear view, no? It's a big fish. Before until there, right?
until there.
Ah, really? It's a big fish, yellow fish. Maliliit guys. Dito ang lalaki.
This one looks like a shark, huh?
What? Not a yellow fish. Huh? What?
Dada, is the fish gonna eat the coins?
No. They're not eating the coins.
Then they're drinking the water?
Hmm?
Dada, why is the water making like this?
Because your uncle is throwing the coins.
Huh? Yeah.
Orlin, come this side. Huh? What? Yeah, the water. Yeah. Don't run. Ang laki ng church na ito, guys. Every feast talaga, napakadaming taong pupunta dito. So, bibili lang kami ng ano, ng mga rosary para pampasalubong. So, ayan, dito na kami pupunta sa loob. Daming mga ano rosary, guys. So check natin kung ano maganda, tapos bibili tayo ng pasalubong.
Mama, You can make like this. See? You can make
Yeah.
like the big one. Can you buy?
You check that. This one's in Lauren Navina. It is English.
Dada, can we buy this?
Careful, ha?
Please. Please. Can we?
So, ayan guys, tapos na kami doon sa church. Then, pauwi na. Ayan. Tara, say hi. Hi. Say hi. Hi, Orlin. Si Orlin naman guys, phone na agad. So, ayan, pauwi na guys. Ayan. Going home na.
No.
Ay, ano pala?
Going Sherwa.
Sherba pala. Punta na kaming Sherba. Then, may bibilin lang. And then, going to house. So, ayan. Bye-bye na tayo, guys. Say bye-bye na.
Hey.
So, ayan, guys. Kanina pa ako. So, ayan, guys. See you on our next vlogs. Ayan. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And hit the button. Hello.
Hit the subscribe button.
Yes. And then, bye-bye na guys. See you in our next vlog. Thank you for watching everyone. God bless. Bye-bye.